Hey guys, David here, and welcome to my Viral Traffic Magic review. Now, inside of this video right here, I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that there is to know about Viral Traffic Magic, and most importantly, I'm going to be giving you bonuses that you can actually use to get traffic with this application and to make money with this application. So stick around, watch this video, and check out all of my custom bonuses for this Viral Traffic Magic app. So what is Viral Traffic Magic? It is a content locking system that basically locks a piece of content. So that could be like PLR content, that could be a video, that could be a PDF, any kind of content that you have that you could give away. It locks that content and then forces people to do things like a post, comment on a post, share a post, subscribe to your YouTube channel, anything that you would really like them to do. It forces them to do that in order to get access to that content that you have locked from them. So it's a really genius idea in order to spread virality to a post or a video or anything that you have and get a bunch of traffic to that by locking something that somebody wants to get a hold of. So I would actually lock a PLR content or maybe PDF content or a video that somebody would really like to have in order to make them or kind of force them to basically spread or share your content on the web. So that is essentially what Viral Traffic Magic is. Let's go now and dive into Viral Traffic Magic. So here is the sales page of Viral Traffic Magic, and the headline says, brand new push button software gets us free viral traffic in under 3 minutes. So that's a really hypey headline. And I kind of disagree with this because you actually need to get traffic to the content locking system first in order for it to generate you traffic. Once you actually get traffic there, then it kind of snowballs and creates a popular post for you on social media. However, you need to get traffic there first. Because if nobody sees this content locking system, they're not going to go through the process of sharing it in order to get the content that's locked. So here are some bullet points here. Limitless free viral traffic in under 3 minutes. This 3 minutes comes in when they actually hit this page. It's click to traffic, yes, because they're clicking a button and it's causing them to share your post, and then you get more traffic from organic reach. 60-day money back guarantee, easy to scale up in minutes. That's if you have a bunch of traffic going there to that first. So come on over and check out the sales page. In order to get here, all you're going to have to do is click on the link down below this video, which is going to take you to my bonus page for Viral Traffic Magic, and it looks like this. And if you click on any of these green buttons before the timer expires, you can go ahead and check out the sales page here for Viral Traffic Magic. Now, there's a bunch of good information on the sales page. Come and check it out on your own time. Let's go now and talk about those custom bonuses that I talked to you about earlier. So with my custom bonuses here, I want you to be able to get traffic to this content locking system in order to actually use it to its fullest. Because if you're not getting traffic to it, it's kind of a waste to have this. So I'm going to teach you in my 5 custom video bonuses how to get traffic to this content locking system. Bonus number 1, I'm going to teach you how to rank YouTube videos. So what I would do is I would actually rank viral make money online videos, like a title for one would be like earn $2 over and over again. That would be a title of a video that I would create. I'd create a video, and then this bonus right here teaches you how to rank that video. It goes into advanced SEO content. It goes in how to outrank bigger channels, and it teaches you step-by-step in video training. Bonus number 2 is advanced YouTube hacks. This is a system that I'm using. It's a web-based app and it's for free. And it teaches you how to basically rank your videos without having to do SEO. So this is a cool strategy. It's a viral app that basically forces people to like your videos and to share them. And it really causes you to jump up in the YouTube algorithm. That's bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, I'm going to show you how to get traffic and hack Quora to get tons of traffic and clicks to whatever page you want. And I would actually send those clicks to this viral content locking system, the Viral Traffic Magic app. Bonus number 4, I'm going to teach you how to get traffic from Facebook. This is perfect for this viral content locking system because what it's going to do is it's going to teach you how to get people from your friends list and how to find people who are buyers and who really want to interact with make money online offers through Facebook. I'm going to teach you how to find those people and how to get them to click on your links. Bonus number 5, I'm going to teach you how to build up an Instagram. So what I would do is I would put your content locking system inside of your Instagram profile, and then I would teach you how to get tons of organic followers without doing any kind of black hat methods in bonus number 5. Now, like I said earlier, there is a money back guarantee. So if you don't like Viral Traffic Magic, you can get your money back for free, no hassle involved. So with Viral Traffic Magic, this is kind of what it looks like here. So you're going to have a page that opens up. It's going to show on the right-hand side the PLR content or the PDF content that you're going to be locking. And then it's going to force them to basically, share a Facebook, tweet it, pin it, all this kind of stuff, and they get points. And once they get a certain amount of points, they actually can unlock this content and get access to it. So it basically forces people to like, share, and spread your content on the web. So that is essentially what Viral Traffic Magic is. If this interests you at all, go ahead and click on the link down below this video, and it'll take you to the bonus page where you can check out all the information about it. Now let's go ahead and talk about the funnel that's in Viral Traffic Magic. So it starts off at $16.95 and it goes up on a dime sale to $19.95. So get it on the earlier end instead of the later end. It's going to save you a few dollars, and that's going to get you all of the Viral Magic traffic system, and then you're going to get all of the training that goes along with it. Upsell number 1 is Viral Traffic Magic Ultimate. So this is advanced features and add-ons that are going to get you more traffic. So basically, more options for them to unlock their content or unlock your content that you're going to be giving to them once they unlock it. And that's $37. OTO number 2 is $29.95 to $39.95. So that's going to go up on a dime sale. And that's advanced training on how to get more traffic to your Viral Traffic Magic app. Now, I think that I would have you covered with my bonuses for this one because I'm going to teach you everything. Every one of my bonuses has to do with getting traffic to this app. So you could probably skip this one if you're not interested in it. OTO number 3 is they're going to give you a test drive for Elite IM Academy for just $1. So this is going to be a $1 trial to get Internet Marketing Academy, which is an advanced course on how to do internet marketing and affiliate marketing and make tons of sales through all kinds of methods of selling affiliate marketing products. OTO number 4 is $67, and this gives you access to IM Traffic Academy, which is basically called the Traffic Bible. So this is going to give you more traffic teaching, more traffic tutorials, but I've really got you covered in my bonuses because I'm really teaching you some good traffic methods. And then this one is a boot camp right here for $147. This is going to be a live boot camp. So it's going to teach you how to close more clients and get more leads from this traffic system. So that right there is the complete funnel of Viral Traffic Magic. I hope that you've enjoyed my review of Viral Traffic Magic. I will see you next time. I'm David, the Info Man.